Welcome. In this video, we're going to go step by step through the process of seeing reposts on the X app, updated so you have the most accurate guide to follow. If you've ever been curious about who's sharing and amplifying your content, this simple walkthrough will help you check in just a few taps. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where the original post is located. Once you're on the home screen, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon. This will take you to your full profile feed, where all your posts are displayed in order. Next, find the specific post you want to check for reposts. Scroll through your timeline on your profile page until you locate it. Once you've found that post, tap on it to open it fully. This will take you into the individual post view where you can see all the detailed engagement and activity connected to that post. Now that the post is open, take a look directly underneath it. You'll see some interactive options such as likes, comments, and reposts. Tap the word reposts. This is the key step that shows you exactly who has decided to share your post forward. After you tap, you'll immediately see a list of users who have reposted your content. This is a great way to better understand your reach and who is helping spread your ideas, content, or updates across the platform. It can give you valuable insight into your audience, showing you not only who is engaging but also how your message is traveling beyond your own followers. And that's all there is to it. To quickly recap, open the X app, go to your profile, select the post, and then tap Reposts under it to see the list of accounts that have shared it. If this quick guide helped you, check out more of our walkthroughs for tips on getting the most out of your social media. Thanks for watching.